Welcome to Curveseries Academy. I am Talia and I will be your teacher today. Here, you will find a series of training videos that will strengthen your abilities to navigate the Curveseries desktop software and its features. In this video, we're looking at the new General Index integration on Curveseries. This partnership brings independent, transparent commodity benchmarks directly into your workspace. You get broader market visibility, cost-effective pricing data, and enhanced analytics tools, all without leaving Curveseries. Let's look at how you can start using it. Please note that you must have a General Index subscription before being granted access on the platform. Start by right-clicking on the Dashboard tab and selecting New Historical Chart. Next, navigate to the left-hand panel and locate the Premium Data folder. Click on it and select General Index. From there, choose the Commodity folder and choose between the products you wish to see. For example, open the Crude folder, select European Crude, and then the 1851 folder. Under the Continuous section, choose Month 0 by double-clicking. Once your selection is complete, choose how many years of history you need and click Save, and the chart for dated Brent and ICE Brent futures month 0 will be generated and displayed within seconds. Similarly, you can download the data directly into Excel using the Curveseries add-in. Simply click on Download Series, then navigate to the Premium Data folder and select General Index. From there, choose the products you would like to download. Since the data is being downloaded in Excel, you can select multiple products at once, making it easy to build a customized data set. Once you've made your selections, choose how many years of history you want to see and click Save. Then hit Refresh Download, and your data will be downloaded in Excel within seconds. On behalf of all the staff at Curveseries, I would like to thank you for trusting us with your analytics needs. Be sure to stay tuned for more training videos and upcoming data partnership collaborations. Curveseries is your one-stop platform for market data and analysis.